Has your Jobber account suddenly gone dark, leaving you staring at a blocked message and wondering what on earth happened? You're not alone. It's a frustrating, even panic-inducing experience when the platform you rely on to manage your business suddenly becomes inaccessible. One minute you're scheduling jobs, sending invoices, and communicating with clients, and the next you're locked out. This isn't just an inconvenience. For many service businesses, it can feel like a direct hit to your operations and your livelihood. Think about it. Your entire client database, your job history, your financial records, all locked away. Missed appointments, delayed payments, confused customers, the domino effect can be significant. So, if you're feeling a knot in your stomach and a burning question in your mind, why is my account blocked on Jobber? Then this video is for you. We're going to dive deep into the most common reasons why Jobber might block an account, what you can do to prevent it, and most importantly, how to get your account back up and running if you find yourself in this predicament. Stick around, because understanding these reasons is crucial not just for getting unblocked, but for safeguarding your business in the long run. Now, let's cut to the chase. When Jobber blocks an account, it's rarely arbitrary. There's almost always a reason, and these reasons typically fall into a few key categories. The first, and perhaps most common, is payment issues. Jobber is a subscription service, and like any subscription, if your payment method fails, expires, or is declined, your account can be suspended. This might seem obvious, but it's surprising how often this is the root cause. Perhaps your credit card expired and you forgot to update it, or there were insufficient funds, or even a technical glitch with your bank. Jobber usually sends out multiple notifications when a payment is due or has failed, so always check your email for those alerts. Ignoring these can lead to an account block. Next up, we have breaches of Jobber's terms of service or acceptable use policy. This is a broad category, but it essentially means you've done something that violates the rules you agreed to when you signed up for Jobber. This could include, but isn't limited to, misuse of the platform, using Jobber for illegal activities, spamming clients, or engaging in fraudulent practices will definitely get your account blocked. This is for the protection of all users and the integrity of the platform itself. Operating a prohibited business type. While Jobber is incredibly versatile, there might be certain industries or business models that are explicitly disallowed by their terms. Always review their policies to ensure your business type is compliant. Attempting to reverse engineer or hack the platform. This is a serious offense and will result in an immediate and permanent block, potentially with legal repercussions. Excessive chargebacks or disputes. If you're consistently having payment disputes with your clients and they're issuing chargebacks through their banks, it can flag your account to Jobber as a potential risk. While client disputes happen, a pattern of them can be problematic. Another significant reason is security concerns and suspicious activity. Jobber, like any online platform, takes security very seriously. If their systems detect unusual login attempts, access from suspicious locations, or any other activity that suggests your account might have been compromised, they may temporarily block it to protect your data and prevent unauthorized access. This is often done as a preventative measure. While inconvenient, it's ultimately for your benefit. If you've been using a public Wi-Fi network, or have experienced a breach of your own email or other online accounts, these could trigger security flags. Then there's the issue of data integrity and excessive use of resources. While less common, in some rare cases, an account might be flagged if it's exhibiting extremely high usage that impacts the performance for other users, or if there are issues with the data you're uploading or managing that could corrupt the system. This is usually more relevant for very large businesses with unusually complex data sets or integrations. Finally, and this is important, sometimes an account can be blocked due to administrative errors or a misunderstanding. It's rare, but it can happen. Perhaps there was a mix-up with account details, or an automated system flagged something incorrectly. This is why good communication with Jobber support is absolutely vital. So you're blocked. What now? The very first thing you should do is check your email, all of your email accounts associated with Jobber, including your spam or junk folders. Jobber almost always sends an email notifying you of a block and often provides a reason or instructions on how to resolve it. This email is your golden ticket to understanding the situation. If you can't find an email, or the email doesn't provide enough clarity, your next step is to contact Jobber support immediately. Do not delay. They are the only ones who can tell you definitively why your account was blocked and what steps you need to take to get it reinstated. Be prepared to provide your account details and explain your situation clearly and calmly. Remember, the support team is there to help you, and being polite and cooperative will go a long way. When you contact them, be ready to address any potential issues. If it's a payment issue, have your updated payment information ready. If it's a terms of service violation, be prepared to explain your actions and demonstrate your commitment to compliance. If it's a security concern, you might need to verify your identity and perhaps change your password. To prevent your account from being blocked in the future, here are some proactive measures. Keep your payment information updated. Set reminders to update your credit card details before they expire. Consider using a dedicated business credit card for your subscriptions. Regularly review jobbers' terms of service and acceptable use policy. While it might seem tedious, staying informed about their policies ensures you're always in compliance. Practice good online security. Use strong, unique passwords for your jobber account. Enable two-factor authentication if available, and be wary of phishing attempts. Avoid accessing your account on unsecured public networks. Monitor your email for jobber notifications. Don't let those important emails go unread. They often contain critical information regarding your account status, updates, and potential issues. Maintain good client relationships. While some disputes are inevitable, a consistent pattern of chargebacks can raise red flags. Focus on clear communication and excellent service to minimize these. Avoid suspicious activity. This goes without saying, but don't engage in anything that could be perceived as fraudulent or malicious behavior on the platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.